University, Arts and Commerce, Tripura University, Professor Sukanto Bonik, Dean of Science, Tripura University, Mr. Sanjeev Dey, Film Director, Professor A. Gupta, Filmmaker, Professor Sukendu Deporma, Head Department of Concord, Tripura University, and of course, Sunil Goloi, the Director of this film, and Mr. Dhananjoy Deporma, Director, Tribal Research, faculty members, guests, students. It's indeed an honor to be here. Of course, you must be impatient. You have come to see a movie and you have been bombarded by speeches. So I'll keep mine very short. I always tell everywhere I go to be the chief guest is very difficult. I don't know what tradition in India where the chief guest has to speak last. And of course the least. Last and least. So I'll keep it very short. But I'm overwhelmed that I'm here today. And folk tale is not very new to me. I remember way back in 85, 86, I was working with a cultural organization. And at that time I had worked with folk tales with the late Ranjan Chaudhary. We had collected a lot of cocktails and folk tales and we had studied them. They were wonderful stories. They were wonderful stories. Because I believe this, the Rajmala is our heritage. The Rajmala too is oral tradition, very much like the folk tales. Many of you may know, the Rajmala was kept orally by the Rajchantais of Tripura. During the era of Dandamanikka, in the 16th century, two scholars, Banashar and Sukreshwar, were called, and the Rajchantai narrated the story of the kings to these two scholars, and they put it down in writing in Sanskrit and named the book Rajratnakaram, which was later translated into Bengali by Prahlad Chandra Singh and made Rajmala. So all our traditions here, indigenous traditions, are oral traditions. In India also we say that Shruti and Smriti are very important to hear and to memorize. That is the tradition all over India also, here also. And the folk tales, I strongly believe, the folk tales occupy a special place in our society, especially the indigenous people. The Rajmala is the chronicle of